Launching a web project can feel overwhelming if you don't have any experience. Professional developers are expensive, no-code tools are limited, and tech stacks are, well, all over the place. Luckily, Hosting Horizons solves this by giving you everything you need to build a web app from scratch in one simple, approachable package. In this Hosting Horizons review, I will quickly introduce this all-inclusive vibe coding platform that empowers you to create the web app of your dreams in no time. If you like the demo you just saw on screen and want to try the service for yourself, check out the link in the description. It gives you free credits and comes with a Hosting Horizons coupon code so you can get huge savings on a paid plan. So, what exactly is Hosting Horizons? In short, it is an all-in-one AI app builder that allows you to quickly create a fully fledged web app using text-based prompts. You don't need any technical knowledge or coding experience. The service handles all the heavy lifting and lets you focus on refining your idea. Most importantly, Horizons helps you build complex and dynamic web apps, not just static landing pages. Alright, let's have a look at how Hosting Horizons builds a web app from scratch. For this Hosting Horizons review, I'll try creating a meal suggestion web app that gives me some food ideas based on the ingredients I have on hand. This should help inspire me to jazz things up in the kitchen since I often default to the same old stuff I'm used to making. Anyway, I started with a relatively simple text prompt, which was more than enough for Hosting Horizons to quickly build a powerful web app from scratch. You can also upload images to convey your idea more clearly. No need to worry about the finer details though, because Horizons will ask a few follow-up questions if it needs more information before building your app. Plus, you can mention specific technologies the app should use if you already know your way around web development. Once the prompt is complete, Hosting Horizons will immediately begin building your web app. I was really pleased with how quickly my meal planning web app was up and running. The entire process took less than a minute. Even better, the app worked exactly as I imagined, and it included some neat features I wasn't expecting. However, it's unlikely that the initial version will be perfect, which is why Horizons allows you to make adjustments as needed. You can instantly make tweaks to your project using prompts so the AI can make the necessary changes for you. Just keep in mind that doing so will use up credits. That's why you can also make minor changes using the Edit Content button above the preview of your site. I was impressed by how quickly Hosting Horizons was able to update my site with the necessary changes. Plus, thanks to the provider's robust infrastructure and well-established hosting expertise, you can be certain that your site will load pretty quickly if you decide to publish it to the internet. And don't forget to check out the link in the description if you want to build your own web project using my Hosting Horizons coupon code. Or stick around while I discuss all the benefits that come with this service. One of my favorite Hosting Horizons features is that it includes everything you need to create and launch a complete project. So it's not just a tool to build the app or website of your dreams. You can use Hosting Horizons to host your website too. Plus, you can control every aspect of the process from a centralized, easy-to-use dashboard. Once you're ready to publish your website, Hostinger empowers you to launch it with a single click without needing to go through a complicated setup process. Plus, the service enables you to set up a site for selling physical goods or other services, not just neat tools. So while I built a simple meal planning app, you can actually create a complete site for your restaurant business. And Horizons supports various integrations if you need access to different APIs for payments, data processing, and more. Hostinger also includes additional tools if you want to take your business optimization to the next level. For one, Horizons comes with the ability to monitor visitor analytics without relying on third-party services. You can add collaborators to your project if you'd like to share maintenance tasks with someone else and lighten the workload. Okay, so what's the situation with Hosting Horizons pricing? Well, you have 4 subscription options and they all share a few core similarities. Firstly, all plans include Hostinger with its impressive hosting capabilities, allowing you to immediately launch your site without going through a complicated setup or migration process. Moreover, each plan comes with a certain amount of AI credits, which are needed when working with the AI system. So, that means a pricier plan allows you to do more with your AI assistant. Personally, I recommend the starter plan if you want the best Hosting Horizons discount and a strong balance of cost and benefits. It includes a good number of AI credits, helpful features to monetize your site, and even a free domain for 1 year. So far, I talked your ear off about how Hosting Horizons is one of the best AI App Builder 2026 options. Still, the service has some limitations, but I think these are reasonable trade-offs since everything else is so easy to use. Hosting Your Horizons allows you to fully export the codebase of your AI-generated web app and edit it, which is great if you want to continue working on it elsewhere. Unfortunately, you can't import it back once it's been changed. Secondly, as with all AI-powered systems, Hosting Your Horizons can feel like a black box that works rather mysteriously because it doesn't include hosting access tools like File Manager, FTP, databases, or Git. Instead, everything is managed through the Horizons AI and editing interface. So, whether you are a marketer, an up-and-coming business owner, or simply someone looking to quickly build something cool, Hosting Your Horizons can turn your ambitious idea into reality in no time. You can use this no-code AI app builder to create a high-quality web app or website by writing a simple prompt. And if the first version isn't quite perfect, you can refine it with further prompts or hands-on editing. That's all for my Hosting Your Horizons review. I hope you give it a shot and build something cool. Let me know in the comments if you already have some ideas. As for me, I'll head to the kitchen and try my next recipe using the recommendation from my brand new app. Catch you later.